And here is the next step. The LCD screen is finished. After combining the LCD with the glass, and then we will got the LCD screen. And it will deliver automatically by the machine one by one to put in the box. Here you can see is the automatic machine will put every LCD screen to the white box, and every small position can put 20 or 30 pieces in the white box. And after fill up the white box, and this machine will ring and inform us to take the LCD go to the next process. The next process is the LCD screen deforming process. We remove the bubble on the LCD screen. And here you can see is our producing LCD raw material setting area. You can see different model LCD will put in different blue box. Okay, the next steps we are going to the LCD screen deforming process.